There is this system service in Windows called SysMain, also known as Superfetch. Later, Microsoft changed the name of this to SysMain, probably because Microsoft don't want you to disable it. Putting it as a system main service, a lot of people will think that this is a very important service. But in my opinion, you should disable this service. A couple of days ago, I had to reinstall my Windows because I accidentally formatted one of my drives, which also contained some system files. So my Windows was kind of corrupted. So ever since I reinstalled Windows, I have been using my main PC without this service. I have this thing disabled. And guess what? My system is running as usual. I don't notice any differences. Now, you might say, well, KB, if it doesn't make any difference, why did you disable it? Just keep it enabled. Well, if you have a fairly decent computer and have a SSD, you'll not notice huge differences even if you disable it. But if you're a hardcore gamer, you might notice sometimes the game will lag or give you hiccups. If you're a gamer, you know what I'm trying to say here. A lot of time, this could be the main reason why your game is lagging. Let's read the description of this service. It maintains and improves system performance over time. That's all it says. But let me try to explain this in simple way. What this does is actually analyzes your usage, like what apps you use frequently and all that. And based on your usage, it preloads frequently used apps to the RAM, and it also uses your storage. So basically you can say your system is tracking your usage, and it's a simple thing that we can just understand. Nobody has to tell you this. To track your activities, it has to use some system resources. That's just common sense, right? So maybe it won't use like huge amount of resources at once. Maybe sometime it will use more or less. Again, as I said, if you're playing some heavy game, you might notice some lag or something like that. And this service could be the reason for that. Now, again, as I said, I have been using my main PC without this service. It's been a couple of days now. I haven't noticed any significant difference. Like it runs as usual, if not better. I always use virtual machines for making some tutorials because sometimes I need to restart my PC to demonstrate something and all that. Sometimes the VM would just freeze whenever I'm doing tutorial or something, and I had to, force shut down the VM and then reboot and then re-record the tutorial and all that. I've faced that issue many times in Windows 11, especially with Windows 11 VMs. But ever since I disabled the SysMain service, the VMs have never froze on me actually. Again, as I said, it's been a couple of days, almost a week now, and I have used a VM and I can already see the difference. I mean, it's a simple thing that we all can understand. I know you guys are smart, okay? I'm just yapping too much here. Just read the description here. Maintains and improves the system performance over time. I know it doesn't give you the clear information how and what, but you can also do your own research what this does and all that. So again, as I said, this service basically tracks your activities, and based on your activities, it tries to preload frequently used apps to the RAM and disk. To really notice the difference after you disable the SysMain service, you have to have a low-end PC plus a slower HDD. Okay, if you have HDD and you have the SysMain enabled, you will see your disk usage will be higher all the time, maybe 100% all the time, or 80, 90. But if you have a SSD, you won't notice much difference. Even though I don't have a good SSD, I have like cheap one which gives me 500 megabytes per second read and write speed, which is not that much compared to the HDD. HDD gives me like 200 plus read and write speed. The SSD that I have gives me almost the double speed of HDD. There isn't much difference. Again, I know you guys are smart. You can do your own research. And there is a debate going on actually on this. Some people say that SysMain is a good service. This actually improves the system performance and all that. And some people say that this is useless and it doesn't actually improve the system performance. Okay. So I'm actually on the side of disabling it. If you have a beefy computer, maybe you can benefit from it. Like if you use a lot of creative applications, maybe you want them to launch faster and all that. Yeah, maybe it will be useful. But if you're a gamer, it's definitely not useful. You should disable it. You don't have to listen to me. Okay, you can do your own research. But in most cases, you should disable this basically. Now, once you disable it, you'll notice a couple of differences. Your system will use less RAM and also less CPU. And a very important thing I forgot to mention about this service is harmless. Even if you disable it, your system will run fine. Even though it's a system service, you can disable it. It's a optional service. It's completely harmless. So what you can do is actually disable it first and use your PC and see the difference. Okay, if you don't see any differences, I mean, you can go back and enable it and all that. Again, as I said, it's a simple thing that we can all understand. It's a tracking service on your system to track your usage. That's it with this one. Hope you enjoyed it. But if you still have any questions or you just want to talk about this service, let's do a discussion in the comments. And again, as I said, I have been using my PC without this service and I will keep using it this way. If I noticed anything, I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on this. I'm pretty sure the system will run fine, if not better, without this SysMain service. I'm sure about that. Let's do a update video after a couple of months, maybe 3 or 4 months. Okay, I'll do a update video on this. Why not? Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.